Hello everyone! Happy yet another day of December. We are headed to a hairdresser. She's going to do a touch up on my hair. My hair looks really pretty on camera. I don't know, the camera does some kind of color correcting. But in real life it is way darker. And not darker. Well, yeah, it is darker. It's like less blonde for sure. So I want it to be more blonde and wanted to have a cooler tone. I swear to God, it looks perfect. Actually, on camera, it looks perfect. Someone would say, girl, you're like asking way too much. Like, why are you picking on yourself? I swear to God, this is the camera. The way I wasn't aware that so much makeup was removed from my forehead and the sides is insane. I was aware only way later. And as I said, my hair is definitely way darker IRL. I don't know why cameras sometimes make it look so blonde, but in the end, the result was really nice and I loved it. And then it was time to do some gift shopping for Christmas. I'm having such a hard time looking for gifts. No one has any dreams. I'm just thinking what would suit them. Candles. Candles are always a good choice, right? Not gonna lie, this year has been especially difficult to look for gifts for my family because absolutely no one had any dreams, and I am a person that is happy with anything actually, and it's really hard to imagine being in another person's shoes, what they would like, what would they want. It's really hard. I spent whooping 8 hours in a shopping center that day, just as I said, deeply thinking about my family, what would they enjoy, to the point that I wasn't eating all day and I had huge shakes that I really needed to bring sugars up and stop by to get this focaccia that is so freaking delicious in a caffeine cafe. And yeah, just getting my energy and continuing my search for gifts. In my family, we usually don't go high on budgets. We mostly focus on an item that maybe someone needs or doesn't have. Let's say a scarf or maybe shoes. And then everyone just either collectively buys one thing or we buy a few smaller things. But yeah, it really depends on the economy of that year of each person. I went through 4 stores to get the glaze for cookies. Determination. I was digging for a really long time and I finally found something. Ain't nothing sketchy here. Just going to pick up my curtains that were cleaned, and I don't know if they're not ruined. I'm worried. Oh my god, this is like from my nightmares, where the steps are like steep and not safe looking. My aunt gifted me these curtains when she was moving, and so I wanted to clean them, but he said that they're gonna be a bit wrinkly, so I'm kind of sad for that. And also they are 20 centimeters shorter than they should be, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, honestly. I'm so bad at cooking, bro. I'm so bad. So I was really tempted to recreate sushi cake that I've seen all over Instagram, and it's just super easy. At least that's what they make you think. The hardest part is how the heck do you cut all of those layers when it is not held together, and it's just like layers that can like slide around and just not cut perfectly. I cut this for probably 20 minutes. I'm not even joking. Like, I'm speeding this up for you. But this was nuts. Never again. Never again. When are you gonna tell me
your boyfriend's back, the one you always talked about, that you're not feeling me.
Hello everyone! Today I have a busy day. It is a day off of stream, but I have to go pick up a gift for my friend because it was her birthday in October. Then I have to go to gym and we will meet up towards the evening. So it's a busy day and I'm gonna take you along. I hope I can stream. I hope I can film some stuff on the way. I have my hair in a tight ponytail, so it looks like I'm bald. And just bear with it. Ended up in a crazy traffic, so I had to ask my friends to meet up a bit later because I would be so late. I'm going to meet my friends. I have the Christmas gifts. I have the birthday gift for one of them. I'm stuck. It's gonna be fun, I hope, but I'm so stressed out because I've been running all day today. Even if I meet my college friends so rarely through the year, I feel a huge change in me when I get to socialize with someone that I'm comfortable to be in a group with. It brightens up my day, clears my head. It honestly also makes me think about lots of things in life, and I get to see life through their eyes, their ideas. I get inspired, so it's always a good time. I literally can't beat hamster allegations. I have never been in this shopping center at nighttime around Christmas, but this is actually so cool. They are spending so much money on these decorations, and you can totally feel the festive mood, even though we have absolutely no snow. But this is really pretty and cold.
Снігулі, що галва про лангер вонотник. Журі магію парагауді рудоно огуля, який поматикать зодіти валку самопусин.
I went for a walk in the area even though it was so cold and I wasn't dressed properly for this, but I did enjoy my time because it was completely silent and all of the beauty was just for me. And I think these are swings that you can sit on, and I think I might do it if I find one of them dry. You know, I really appreciate in moments like these that there's not many people and you can just enjoy your time. And you can enjoy your time just like that. No, this is actually so cool. If this was at summer, this would be a vibe. We just stopped by the portal where you can see other countries, and in Poland there were two guys that stopped by and they started doing the 6-7 move, and I was like, no, like don't do it. Everyone is obsessed with that nonsense. What the heck? We're going to the Christmas tree now. Honestly, when I saw all of those reels that in London there are so many people and everyone wants to see Christmas lights, you have to come here because this year is insane. We have really nice trees for Christmas. I don't know what this is. It looks like an entrance towards the hotel, but it has nice decor. Oh my god, everyone is like so... Bro, rich people go to this place. You know, I didn't want to brag or anything, but I also live here. I have never seen this store before, but this has local handmade crafts, but everything is extremely expensive. Yeah, it is handmade, and probably for some it's appealing. I love these doorknobs and hooks. They looked so pretty. This, however, everything was so detailed but so expensive. The cup, that beautiful cup, was 83, I think, euros. Insane. And finally, we made it to the main area. There was a 2-story carousel that I hope I get a chance to get on this year. We stopped by one of the markets and they were selling these so-called kisses. I didn't know what's inside, but I was willing because I think it was just 2 or 3 euros. I got I think the strawberry with milk chocolate. It's called Kiss, I think. Why did it break like that? We have a Christmas market every year, but I really like how this year they made it super spacious with areas to sit and there is lights above us, so everything looks super cozy and festive. This year, more than ever, I noticed that there is new snacks to try that probably are common in other Christmas markets, but this one, local lazy man cake as we call, is in the form of sort of like a soup, so I was really sus of that one. And the grand finale, the Christmas tree that I've been avoiding all month so I don't get spoiled. It is unusually traditional for Lithuania, but I am so happy the way it looks. It is so sparkly, tall, pretty, and the shape of the natural Christmas tree is very nice. Before heading back home, we stopped by to warm up and grab some soup, which was really lovely. Alright guys, so that is all of the exploring of Vilnius. As I said, Vilnius is the capital of Christmas that is selected, I think, in Europe. So it is really decked out and it's so beautiful. Yeah, if you enjoyed the vlog, then don't forget to like this video. Bye!